Hello Odors, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to print POS order via point of sale app. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here our module Dev POS order print. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to point of sale app, go to orders, select multiple, go to print menu and click on this POS order. And you can easily see here your printed report of POS. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.